Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this workshop creeper seat made by OEMTools, model number 24993 from Mobile Distributor Supply. A link to this product will be included in the description below. This creeper seat is available in a variety of colors. I have the green version, and it's also available in black, white, blue, orange, red, and yellow. The creeper seat will need to be assembled, which doesn't take too long, and OEMTools includes all the hardware and tools required to put it together. Everything comes neatly packed in a box and protected with plastic wrap, so nothing becomes damaged during shipping. It has a vinyl-covered foam seat with the OEMTools logo printed on it. Also in the box is a vertical supports, bottom storage tray, drawers, can holder, 4 swivel rubber caster wheels, Allen wrench, and bolts with washers. This does include in-depth instructions. I started with the assembly on the seat side first and didn't tighten down the bolts just yet so everything could be aligned. There is no nuts. This creeper seat uses nut certs instead, which makes the assembly extremely easy and clean. All fasteners are the same, so there's no risk of mixing anything up. This is made from a thick gauge metal. Even when it's not together, all the components are still strong. The stool has a 280-pound maximum weight capacity. With the gloss paint finish, it's easy to keep clean. The can holder, while it shows in the product manual that it's mounted on a side with no drawers, it can be fastened to any spot you feel comfortable with. Once everything is put together, go around and tighten up the fasteners. Being that I am 5 foot 11 inches in height, the stool is the perfect size for me, and this seat is firm enough where it provides excellent support. The drawers are great for any small tools, either as general storage or for when you're working on a specific project. The tray at the bottom can also hold a variety of objects, ranging from anything from tools to parts. For added protection, I purchased some rubber matting, cut it to size, and then installed it in the drawers and bottom tray. Surprisingly for the size of this stool, it is actually quite heavy, coming in at around 20 pounds. The one drawer is 11 inches in length and uses a ball-bearing track. The other drawer just fits into a slot, and its length is 9.625 inches. This creeper seat is excellent for anyone doing work around the house, for your garage at home, mechanics, machinists. There really isn't any limitations as to what field it can be used in. Have you purchased this product in the past? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below, helping out fellow viewers. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.